I am here to speak some words about UCC. Most of the people in our class and in our country and our surroundings doesn't know about UCC. So first of all, UCC means Uniform Civil Code. So Uniform Civil Code recently many of people's and we heard many of the cases, many of the points of injustice somewhere. So to stop this, government has planned to implement UCC in India also. So if we talk about Uniform Civil Code, so major topics which are covered in this Uniform Civil Code is marriage, divorce, succession of property, inheritance, and adoption. Etc. topics are also involved, but these are main topics. So UCC was claimed in Article 44, and as we know, India is a democratic country, and many of religions like Muslim, Jainism, Buddhism, and Hindu religion are many peoples are present in India, and they live together with very simple and nice harmony. And it should be continuous. So because of this, government now recently in 2023 Jan and Feb. Supreme Court has planned to imply UCC in India, but somewhere some political issues and some internal affairs. So because of this, it is becoming delayed. And if we talk about some personal laws, like in 1985, Hindu Succession Hindu Property Succession Act was passed, and if you talk about marriages, many of the Muslim women didn't get the proper maintenance and proper divorce type. If like teen talak, if I clear the topic teen talak, if a husband is there and if he gives teen talak to his wife, so the wife doesn't get the 50% of property and the some handful amount of money from husband. So these are some so this is some religious part which is adopted by the Muslim religion. And in like if we talk about the in 1985 Hindu Succession Act of Property was announced, was declared. So because of this, Hindu women which get divorced, they get 50% of the amount of the husband property from it after divorce. And by this for this discrimination and to stop this all, government is somewhere aware about it, and it is they are helping us with UCC. If we talk about personal laws means the personal laws contains marriage affairs, and personal relationships, and many of other topics like divorce and religious and cultural heritage things also. So in Muslims, the act was Muslim Shariat, it known as Shariat, Muslim Personal Law Act was passed, and many of like Jainism and Buddhism also has passed some laws about it. And in Hinduism, I already told that Hindu Property Succession Act was passed, and Hindu Religious Act was also passed in 1987. So because of this, many of the issues are there. And like if we talk about political agendas, BJP, the most popular party in India nowadays, BJP has mainly seems that in every election it puts its topic of UCC. It tells us it will bring UCC, it will bring UCC, and they are also trying at very high on peak. They are on high to bring UCC, but somewhere of some issues they are getting resist of it. So the main idea of UCC is to bring great secularism, to bring great social justice, and to bring equality. Like if we talk about equality, many of the scenes like religious rights and many of the things happen in our country. So to bring equality, like everyone is same before the law and justice judiciary department of India, everyone is equal. So to bring this equality and harmony in India, the UCC will help us. And if we talk about the marriages type, like in Hindu Samaj, in Hindu religion, we have Shastras, and the Shastras is executed by Brahmins. And in Muslim, they have Shariat. The law is called Shariat, and to execute it, they have Maulanas. So this UCC help them both, and many other religions also help them all to bring equality and bring social harmony in their religion, except gender bias. So UCC also helps in many times, as one case was there in 1956 in India, Shah Bano case. In that case, if we see, the Shah Bano has registered a case in Supreme Court that his husband is not giving 50% of his property after the divorce, after teen talaq. So this case was put in Supreme Court, and after that case, Shah Bano wins that case. But many of Muslim women, especially Muslim women, didn't get justice because of it. Because every woman is not that potential that she can go in court and put some case against it and files against his husband and take 50% of property and take property successions also. So because of this, because somewhere this should be stopped, so UCC will also help in this case. And by this all topics, it is our responsibility to see that कि UCC and many of the personal laws should not be hurted. Uniform Civil Code will help Indians to bring an secularism, regardless their gender, and regardless their religious and many of the things. UCC will not hurt any religious aspects, like if in Hindu if marriage is occurring in Hindu, so they have to take 7 rounds around fire. And in Muslim, they put a piece of cloth in both of the couples and they say Kabul hai, 3 times Kabul hai. So it doesn't tell us ki you should, it doesn't tell Muslim and other religions also ki you should take 7 rounds around fire and your marriage will be done. It says that ki you should register your marriage in government books. And it is not hurting any religion aspects, but it is telling only that ki everyone is equal and everyone should register all their things and all their issues to the government. And because of this, UCC will help us. So as we know, in India, many of the things, like if you talk about one more case is there, if you talk about the case in recent 2017, Shahira Bano case, the last one in 1956 was Shah Bano case, and in this case in 2017 Shahira Bano case, in this case the woman has registered a case in Supreme Court that his husband has given 3 talaq to him. So she demanded that कि 3 talaq should be banned, and it is banned in India, means it is stopped in India so much that 3 talaq means कि if a husband is telling, like if he is writing a letter and telling 3 talaq 3 times or in any mode like message or one-to-one contact, so the husband is totally free from the responsibilities of the his wife and his children. So to stop it, Indian government has made some laws, the personal laws in Shariat it is written, and so in this also in 2017 Shahira Bano wins in this case and 3 talaq was banned. So and if we talk about is UCC important in India? In India, as we see, only Goa is a place where UCC is applied, and in Goa also it is because of Napoleon Code. Napoleon Code was established in 1867 in France when Portugal and Dutch come to India as they succeed Goa. So because of this, they had put the Napoleon Code in Goa. And as we know, in Goa there are a majority of Muslims also and majority of Christians and Hindus also. So because of this, they are also getting some rights to say about UCC, and UCC is also helping Goa as a great city. So by this I am ending my topic. Thank you.